Welcome to part 1 of our HTML tutorial series, brought to you by Amatip IT. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language for creating web pages. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of HTML and how to construct a simple web page. To get started, you'll need a text editor and a web browser. Open the text editor and create a new file, saving it with a HTML extension. Every HTML document starts with a doctype declaration, which tells the browser what version of HTML to expect. After the doctype, the document structure is wrapped in HTML tags. Within the HTML tags, there are two main sections, the head and the body. The head section contains meta information about the web page, such as the title and character encoding. To add a title to your web page, use the title tags within the head section. The body section is where the content of your web page goes. To add headings, use the H1 to H6 tags, with H1 being the largest and H6 being the smallest. To add paragraphs, use the P tags. To add line breaks within a paragraph, use the bridge tag. You can also add links to your web page using the anchor tags, with the href attributes specifying the URL of the link. For images, use the img tag and the src attribute to specify the image URL. To create lists, use either the unordered list, or ordered list tags, with list item tags inside. Don't forget to add comments within your HTML code to make it more readable and understandable for others. To view your web page, save the HTML file and open it in a web browser. Congratulations! You have now learned the basics of HTML and how to construct a simple web page. Stay tuned for the next part of our HTML tutorial series, where we will cover more advanced concepts.